Hey everyone, Ryan with Giant Loop here. While we're all working remote, my goal is to try and bring a video to everyone once a week to show how tools and products fit into Giant Loop gear. So as you see here on my 450 motocross bike, which I use as a trail bike and sometimes dual sport and fire roads, there's always a need to carry tools and repair items. So I am here today to show you that you can put everything to fix a flat on your dirt bike or adventure bike in the Buckin roll and the handlebar bag. There's nothing else needed to fix a flat than what's in here. I have all the tools and more. So instead of carrying all the gear in your back or in a fanny pack or other places, you can do it just in these two items. So I'm going to show you all the tools. You decide for yourself if that's what you need. You can mix a few different things up, but I have everything to fix flat on this bike, as well as if you had another bike, some different sockets. So first thing first, tube. I have a 21-inch tube in here. As many people know, the 21-inch tube will, if you carry a 21-inch tube, that'll work for the front, as well as you can put them on 18s and 19s. So, got some of the Ziploc stuck in there. 21-inch tube wrapped up. Socket for my bike uses a 21 in the front, so that's a big socket. This is a Motion Pro converter for the tire levers, which I'll get to. So that's there in the handlebar bag. Pronghorn straps, because you always need pronghorn straps. 2 tire levers, and these cool ones have different size sockets. So like this, you can put on there and drop it down, and then for the front, you can use this one for KTMs, or you put this in here, use that for the front. Problem solved there. Next thing, you want to air it up. I decided to carry some CO2s in here. You could carry a bicycle pump, it would fit in here as well, or more CO2s. Let's see. 2 CO2s, that should get you enough air. There's the filler. And last thing, another great tool by Motion Pro, this is the multi-tool. So you don't need this to fix a flat, but these are the other sockets you need. So as you can see, 8, 10, 12, I have Allen wrenches, screwdriver, so this is an additional tool. And then I have a chapstick in here. So these tools right here, that's exactly what you need to fix a flat. And if you're with friends, you could carry more tire levers. You can get a third one shoved in here, and you could carry a bicycle mini pump if you wanted to, or a little compressor, but that's everything you need to fix a flat. It's in the Buckin roll, it's in the handlebar bag. The weight is centered on the bike, it's easy, it's flexible, and it's on a Japanese bike here, but as you can see, same setup on a Husqvarna or KTM. Very versatile. Take the weight off your back, you can ride faster, longer, and farther, and that's what Giant Loop's all about. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you can check these products out yourself.